yeah, that one go isn't really. It needs a bit more than that. But, you know,
All right. What the hell's that? That's a transit van going backwards here and Mark in front of it. Oh no, it's just knocked a sign down. Ah!
Sounds like you've done more than that. Next rest space. Pull over for a sec.
Right, okay, I'm going to have a quick fag.
Yeah, that's right. Need to get some sugar in my system. I can't stop yawning. Whoa, what are you doing?
Sobbing.
Well, you said rest space, not fucking middle of the road.
Right, go on.
Dick brain. Oh, what are you breaking that for? Fuck it! Ah, you...
Oh!
Still good.
What's that? Oh.
Almost got away with it.
Right, back in a minute.
Alright. Sounds nice for your headphones.
Yeah, I bet it does.
Like being able to like fully customise these trucks you give them if you ever see them in the game.
yeah, you need like fleet colours or something.
How'd that work out, James?
It's alright.
So where are you guys?
Denmark.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you're in.
Thank you.
I'd love to hear what
Lovely.
you're saying, but
You just passed through Odense.
Odense, that was Odense, alright.
I've just been rimmed.
yeah.
Alright, get over a bit. Get over a bit, you mad cunt. Fucking hell. Yeah, I decided to drink 14 cans of dark fruit Christmas night. Then I had to go up Arnie's on Boxing Day and get another 4.
Wow.
So I drank another 14 last night. I shouldn't have done that.
Probably do another 12 tonight.
There is 12 here.
Oh my god.
Wait! Cunt.
He's had a coach.
No, did you not see him fucking pull over?
Who?
The coach?
No, you hit him.
No, I was in the left-hand lane.
I like your truck, Paul.
Cheers, buddy. It's all dark and sinister.
It is.
Just like James's toilet.
And I thought, oh, little flags, they're alright. So I got a couple of racing flags. You have all the countries, and you have some rubbish ones like Yin Yang and
Yeah.
one of a unicorn, but I'm not especially patriotic, and
Sorry.
that's
Oh,
also
shit.
not that exciting.
What the fuck?
Jesus.
Stay in your lane. Oh. Fuck me.
You crashed.
Yeah.
Where you going?
Well, you just sent me flying because you were driving over both lanes again. Oh. 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 Wait,
You
am I
crashed?
good? No, I'm good. I'm good.
You crashed.
No, I'm good.
Fucking lovely. So, David, I'll just blow my load.
Please tell me you clipped that.
You won't be here.
I am here.
Oh,
I am here, and there's no transit van this
yeah,
time.
no. Oh, where are you going? Whoa! Oh, that was close.